Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Moomoo account to Tradingview in 2026. Now currently on Tradingview Premium, a Black Friday deal is going on in which you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month for free. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link that is given in the description. First of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply hover over to the top right hand corner where you are going to see the option of brokers. Over here, you just have to simply click on the broker that you are looking for. So since we are looking for the Forex broker, you just have to click on it and it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView. You can also click on the option of products here on the top. Then the chart of gold is going to be opened in front of you. Over here, when you click on the option of trading panel, it is again going to show you all of the brokers that you can connect with TradingView. So since we want to look for Moomoo, you just have to click on the option of see all brokers. After that, you will see the Moomoo icon here on the top. But if you don't see it, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then simply search for Moomoo. Now once you are able to find the Moomoo broker over here, click on the option of Moomoo, then click on the option of connect. Now, as soon as you click on the option of connect, you will be landed here on the login page where you just have to provide your Moomoo login credentials, then simply authorize it to connect with TradingView, and this way you will be able to connect your Moomoo account with TradingView very easily. With the help of it, you can easily punch your order on Moomoo with the help of TradingView. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more these types of TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.